Racing just started. We have Don Sentry. Break quickly at the start. Moving up, Lovable Francis. Pegasus, Bonita Blanca in the nick of time. Out of the outside comes Terrible Heart. Zabor the Champagne Black Label Atoy for us. And the post comes next man Power. Robin Good. Then next online is Spitfire. While Matikas is the early trailer when as they swing. And down the back we have Pegasus by about 3 lengths. Lovable Francis in second. 3 lengths further back in third comes Bonita Blanca. Next on line is Black Label Zawer. The Champagne then moving up on the outside. Now is in the nick of time. Robin Good Atoy for us. Then next on line now is Don's entry. Is Spitfire and a Postman Power. Matikas racing second last while Terrible Heart now racing in 14th. And at the far turn we have Pegasus by about 3 lengths. And in second now is in the nick of time. Down on the inside, Lovable Francis. And as they swing for home, we have Pegasus moving up on the outside in the nick of time. Down on the inside is Lovable Francis. Bonita Blanca with about 100 meters of the race. We have in the nick of time by about 3 lengths, followed by Pegasus, Lovable Francis, and finally it's in the nick of time. Pegasus, Lovable Francis.